Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I am Chittaranjan Das. Let us study about the nomenclature of cyclic organic compound. In last class, we have already discussed about the nomenclature of different organic compound containing different functional group. Okay. Then today we read about the nomenclature of cyclic compound. Nomenclature of cyclic compound. For cyclic compound, a prefix is used. Prefix means that used before word root. That is cyclo. Okay. Cyclic means the first carbon and last carbon connect to each other. That is closed chain. That is closed chain. Okay. Here you see that 1, 2, 3 carbon. Here you see that 1, 2, 3 carbons. So as the 3 carbon, so you use what? Cyclo prefix or cyclo as 3 carbon, then word root is prop any, because this is alkane or saturated hydrocarbon. Then in this organic compound, you look that here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here is also a double bonds. So you give priority to double bonds. So you count from this side, either this side or this side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that its name is, it is cyclic. So prefix are used cyclo, word root is prop, and 1 ene or ene. Okay, cyclopropene. For double bond we use ene. Okay, then you look this compound. Here is 1, 2, 3, and here is one methyl group. Here is also one methyl group. Okay, mean two substituent group. There are two substituent group. So if you naming from this side 1, 2, 3, here is two substituent group. So that locand is 2, 3. Here is 1, 2. So 1, 2 is the correct. Then these are also used as prefix. So 1, 2 dimethyl 1, 2 dimethyl cyclopropane. Here you look that here is also a cycloprop means the word root is 1, 2, 3, but here is triple bond. So you count from this side 1, 2, 3. So prefix is cyclo, word root is prop, and as the triple bond, then what is the suffix or primary suffix are yne, 1 yne, cyclopropyne. Then you look this carbon compound means here is how many number of carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no other functional group. There is no double bond or triple bond. There is no substituent group. Then you can count from any side. Then this for this one prefix as it cyclic compound, the prefix used cyclo. Prefix cyclo, word root is but, as and saturated, so any cyclobutane. Then you look this compound. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is one methyl group. Here is one methyl group. Okay. So that you count from, if you count from 1, 2, 3, the double bond get 3. If you count from 1, 2, double bond get 2. If you count from this side, double bond get 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this you use, as it is a substituent group, it is used as prefix. For methyl, used 1 methyl. 1 methyl. तो one methyl cyclobutane. Okay, 1 methyl cyclobutane. Then look this compound. Here is also in cyclic compound 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here is a functional group. Here is a substituent group. Which has more priority? The functional group has more priority. So we count from this side either 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then these are uses. This is uses prefix. This is uses prefix. This is suffix. So 3 methyl bute AN1-ol. Okay, 3 methyl cyclobute AN1-ol. Then you look this compound. Okay, then you look this compound, that is what? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 substituent group, 1 double bond. So double bond has higher priority. So we count from this side 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, then double bond are not include this chain. Okay, so you count from this side. If you count this side, then wrong. Then 1, 2, 3 mean 3 methyl cyclobute ENE. Okay, 3 methyl cyclobute ENE. Okay, this is all about the cyclopropane. This is all about the cyclobutane. Then we goes to when the cyclic compound contain 5 carbon atom. 5 carbon atom. Okay. Here is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no double bond or triple bond or any substituent group or any functional group. So you starting from their prefix cyclo, what root is pent, Ne for saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, then you look this compound. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is a substituent group. So we bound to count from this side or this side. Okay, this is get lower locant. So it is used as prefix because the alkyl group always used as prefix, meaning methyl, 1 methyl. Okay, 1 methyl, the number of carbon is 5, so what root is pent, ANE. Okay, then you look this compound. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is also a functional group. Okay, CHO is the functional group of aldehyde. So this get the priority. So count from this side. So that for this compound, the prefix are cyclo, what root is pent, there is no double bond, so that ANE, E should be dropped because it is all 1, all. Okay, then look this compound. Here is functional group and also a double bond. But which has more priority? The functional group has more priority. So you can count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count 1, 2, 3, both are get same locant. So this is used as what? Suffix. So you start from prefix cyclo word. Cyclo word root is pent. Pent. Here is 3en. Primary suffix is 3ene, but e should be dropped due to alcohol group suffix all, 1 all. Okay, cyclo, pent, 3en, 1 all. Then look this compound. Here is, this is the cyclic group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is CS2COOH. Okay, here is a functional group. So this is the principal chain and it is used as substituent group. It is used as substituent group because the carboxylic acid, functional group carboxylic acid attached to this carbon. Okay, if this directly attached to the carbon of the cyclopentane, that it include under the cyclopentane, means cyclopentane undergoes the principal chain. Here is, this is the principal chain, this is the principal chain CS2COOH, and this is substituent group. Substituent group means it is cyclopentane, but when it is used as substituent, then cyclopentyl. Most important things, that is cyclopentyl. That is cyclopentyl. Okay, cyclopentyl, 1 cyclopentyl, 1 2 carbon, word root is ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid, cyclopentyl ethanoic acid. Okay, then here is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So there is no other functional group, there is no double bond or triple bond or any substituent group. So that it named from word root or prefix, that is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Okay, it is used the naming for cyclohexane. Here is the cyclohexane, but here is, there is one, as it is double bond and one substituent group, then you count from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, does not count from 1, 2, 3, because if you count from 1, 2, 3, then double bond are not involved in this chain. Okay, so you count from this side, 1, 2, 3, and this is used as prefix, mean 3 methyl cyclo, prefix is cyclo, word root hex, ene. Okay, 3 methyl cyclohexene. Here you see that one substituent group, one functional group alcohol. One functional group what? Alcohol. If then functional group alcohol, then you counting from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, the methyl group takes the 6 locant, but if you count from this side, then here is 2 locant. So the lower locant should give the more priority. Okay, so that it is used as prefix, mean 2 methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means cyclo hex an 1 all. Okay, then here you see that is cyclohexane, and here is CH2OH. Okay, CH2OH, the functional group attached to the carbon this or this is so that principal chain, and it is used as substituent group. Okay, here is alcohol do not directly connect with the cyclic compound. So that this is the principal chain and it is used as what? Substituent group. So when cyclohexane used as substituent group, that is called cyclohexyl. Okay, cyclohexyl, one cyclohexyl methanol. Then here you see that this is the cyclic compound. Here is substituent group methyl. Here is CH2OH. CH2OH. So as the OH attached to this carbon. So this is the principal chain and this is are used as substituent group. This is the branch of substituent group, that is called complex branch. Okay, so that it is attached to one, you give the bracket, then 2-methyl cyclohexyl to methyl, as it is used as substituent group, so that cyclohexyl methanol. Okay, this bracket should be closed. Always complex branch, always naming within the bracket. Clear? This is the cyclic organic compound, nomenclature of cyclic organic compound. Let us do some other cyclic compound. Okay, nomenclature of some other cyclic compound. Here you look some other cyclic organic compounds. Okay, here is, this is a cyclic organic compound, that is cyclopropane, 1, 2, 3. But in this chain there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if the in alkane group or in a straight chain contain more number of carbon than the carbon of cyclic compound, then this is used as principal and cyclo group used as substituent group. Here is 3 carbon, here is 4 carbon, so it is used as principal chain because the number of carbon is greater than the cyclic compounds. So that 1, 2, 3, 4 mean 1 cyclopropyl, as it is used as substituent group, that is 1 cyclopropyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. Okay, here you look that the chain, there is 1, 2, 3, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when a single chain contain more than one cyclo group, then cyclo group used as substituent group. That is used as substituent group, means cyclohexyl. Okay, this is goes to the principal chain. Clear? Mean when a single chain contain more than one cyclo group, then the both cyclo group or all cyclo group are used as substituent group, So this is cyclohexyl, 1, 3 dicyclohexyl, cyclohexyl propane. What root is prop? Then primary suffix is N. Okay, then you look this compound. Here is 2 cyclohexane group. There is no chain in between 2 cyclo group. There is no chain in between 2 cyclo group. So that one cyclo group has principal and another cyclo group act as substituent group. Okay, here is as both are in 6 carbon, so then whatever may be taken principal. If the different carbon, then largest number of carbon undergoes the principal chain. Okay, here is 2 same, here is also 6, here is also 6. So one are used substituent group, another was used in principal chain, so that one cyclohexyl, cyclohexane. Then look at this compound. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the straight chain contain 4 carbon. Cyclo group contains 6 carbon. So as it is more carbon in cyclo group, this is used as principal chain and this is used as substituent group. This is used as substituent group. So that is butyl, 1 butyl cyclohexane. Okay, here is straight chain contain 4, cyclo group contains 6. So cyclo group undergoes the principal chain. But in this compound, the straight chain contains 4 carbon, the cyclo group contains 3 carbon. So straight chain undergoes the principal chain. Okay, then when benzene ring attached to the cyclo group, this is the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. When benzene ring attached to the cyclo group, then it is the derivative of benzene, mean the cyclo group used as substituent group and benzene act as principal chain. So that is cyclohexyl benzene. Cyclo as its substituent group, that is alkyl mean hexyl benzene. Here is the cyclo group. This is the benzene. So cyclo group are used as substituent group. So that cyclopropyl benzene. Okay, this is all about the naming of cyclic organic compound. Cyclic organic compound. Then now we go to naming bicyclo compound. Naming bicyclo compound. Okay, naming bicyclo compound. This is the bicyclo compound. Bicyclo compound means what? It contain 2 cyclic group. It contain 2 cyclic group. Okay, with 2 common point. With 2 common point. Here is you that this is a cyclic and this is also a cyclic. Mean this side, this is a 2 cyclic and this is the 2 common point. Okay, here is 2 cyclic and these are the 2 common point. Here is 2 cyclic and this is 2 common point. Okay, when the organic compound 2 cyclic compound with 2 common point. Okay, here is also a 2 cyclic group. Okay, but it is not bicyclo compound because there is not 2 common point. This is 1 point, this is 1 point. Okay, here is also two cyclic group, but here is single common point. So this is spiro. After this we go to the naming of spiro organic compound. Here is only 1 single common point, but 2 cyclic group and 2 common point are called bicyclo compound. Are called bicyclo compound. Bi mean 2, cyclo mean cyclic compound, but having 2 common point. Having 2 common point. Then you look how to naming the bicyclo compound. This is important for all type of entrance exam. Okay, this is important for all type of entrance exam. Then here this mean common side. Okay, common side which separate to 2 cyclic compound. This is called bridge. This is called bridge. Okay, this is called bridge. Two separate land connected, that is called bridge. Like that, two cyclo compounds separated by this line. Here is this line or bridge. 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 Okay, and the common point, the bridging head. These are the called bridging head. Okay, then when you naming, then the bridging head. Okay, when the naming means to give the locant, the carbon of bridging head are not include this chain. Okay, but in case of water, this carbon are include. But when you naming, the common point are not include in the chain. So you count from all the carbon. If this is, we count from this side. Here you 1, here you 2, and this cyclic, here is 1, here is 2. This chain, here is 1, here is 2. Okay, and for bicyclo compound there is prefix is bicyclo. Prefix is bicyclo. Okay, and you always go from larger side to smaller side. Naming larger side to smaller side. Okay, larger side to smaller side. In this side 2 carbon, this side 2 carbon, this side also 2 carbon. All the side 2 carbon. So that you can go from any sides. Okay, so that word root is bicyclo prefix. Okay, the prefix is bicyclo, then hyphen, start to square bracket, start to locant always written in the square bracket, within the square bracket. Then from larger side to smaller side, each side contain 2 carbon. So 2.2.2, here is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All carbon are included under the word root. So 2 to octane. Clear? First the prefix used bicyclo, then the locant from larger side to smaller side. As it both chain contain, all the chain contain only 2 carbon, so we write 2, 2, 2. Okay, octane. Okay, then here is 2 bicyclic, one is this, one is this. Then this is the bridging head. This is the bridging head. This is the bridging chain. So as we go to this, then here is 1, here is 2. This side also 1, 2, and this side 1. This side, but contain 1. Okay. So you name first the prefix bicyclo. Bicyclo, naming bicyclo. Here is 2, here is 2, here is 1. Then you start square bracket. Then larger to smaller. 2 are the larger and 1 is the smaller. So 2.2.1. Carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptane. Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, you just follow the rule. There is 2 cyclic compound. When you tell cyclic compound, the common point are called the bridging end. Bridging end do not involve during the count of locant. Okay. Then always naming larger side to smaller side. Here is 2 functional group. Sorry. Here is 2 cyclo group separated by 2 common point. So this is a bicyclo. This is bicyclo and these are the bridging head. This is bridging head. If you count from 1, 2, 3, mean this chain contain 3, this chain contain 1, 2. So you naming from the larger side, naming from the larger side, and there is no carbon in between the bridging chain. Okay, so that you start from bicyclo, then start square bracket, then here is 3, here is 2. So from larger to smaller, larger to smaller, then 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, have 10. Okay, then look this compound. Here is the bicyclo compound. This is one cycle, this is one cycle, and one functional group. Okay, one functional group. Then you think that the functional group has higher priority, so locant should starting from 1. No, always counting from larger side to smaller side, larger side to smaller side. Okay, then here is the bridging end, here is the bridging end. You count from this. If you go this, then this is 1, 2. If you count from this, 1, 2, and here is 1, here is 2, here is 1. But this side get more priority than this, because what? This is contain the functional group. So total, when you count the number of carbon, then you starting from this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't count this side. Okay, if you count to this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count from this side, then here is the lowest locant. Okay, but do not count the from 1, because the priority of alcohol group. You always count from the bridging hand. Count from the bridging hand. So its name is bicyclo. Name is the bicyclo. Starting square bracket. Here is this side 2, this side 2, this is 1. 2.2.1, 7 carbon, so pent, AN 2 all. Okay, pent AN 2 all. Okay, then here is, you look that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is also a carbon. Okay, but this is the methyl group. This is substituent group. This is what? Substituent group. This is the bicyclo compound. These two are the bridging point. Always first find out the bridging point. Okay, mean two common point between the two cyclic group. This is the two common point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this side contain 2, this side contain 2, this side 1. Okay, and the methyl group are used as prefix attached to 7 numbers. So 7 methyl bicyclo. What would bicyclo? After bicyclo, then square bracket start. This side 2, this side 2, this side 1. So that 2 larger to smaller, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, pentane. Okay, 7 methyl bicyclo, 2, 2, pentane. Okay, then this compound, this is starting from this. These two are the two bridging point. This point and this point. This side only one carbon. This side also one carbon. But this side contain 2 carbon. This side contain what? 2 carbon. Suppose OH attached to this group. This side. This side also contain 2 carbon. Okay. Then this is the functional group. Then you think that this gives the more priority. No. Always from larger side to smaller side. Always from larger side to smaller side. If you from 1, 2, 3, mean here is 1, 2, 3, here is 1, here is also 1. And you count from this side, larger to smaller. Don't give the priority to functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this side is the larger chain. don't give the priority. If two same chain, then give toward the functional group. Okay, this is the important thing. So you start from the bicyclo, then square bracket start. This chain contain 2, this chain 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 6 mean hexane, hex, an 5 all. 5 all. Don't count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2 all. If you write the 2 all, then this is wrong. Okay. Then this organic compound. Then this is the bicyclo compound 1, 2, and these two are what? These two are bridging point. These two are the bridging point, and this side contain 1, 2, 3, and this side contain 1, 2 carbon. Here is methyl group. Here is methyl group. Okay. Then you priority from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then because this is the larger, this is larger, this is the smaller. Here is 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. But this cyclic compound is the 2 carbon. So 6 methyl bicyclo square bracket. Here this side 3, this side 2. 3, 2 heptane. Okay, this is the naming of bicyclo compound. Next we go to the naming of spiro compound. Go to the naming of spiro compound. Okay, these are some spiro compound. Spiro compound means 2 cyclic compound like bicyclo. 2 cyclic compound but 1 common point which separates to 2 cyclic. There is 2 common point. Here is 1 common point. Here is 1 common point. And rules like that just different. Mean the prefix are used. Prefix, that is spiro, and it always count from smaller to larger. In case of bicyclo, there is larger side to smaller side. Here is smaller to larger side. Smaller to larger side. Okay, smaller to larger side. Mean here you look that this is common point. This is the common point, and in this side 2, this side also 2 carbon. Okay, so then you can count from any sides. That is spiro square bracket 2, 2, 2, 2. And you remember that in case of bicyclo, there are 3 sides, more than 2 sides may be present, but in always the 2 sides mean 2 locant. From this one end, this one end. Okay, there is no 3 side. 2, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Okay, pentane. Spiro 2, 2, pentane. Then look this compound. This is the common point. This side contain 1, 2, 3, 4. This side contain 1, 2. So you coming from the smaller to larger. Then you use the prefix spiro. Then start square bracket and smaller to larger. In case of bicyclo, the larger to smaller. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Here is 2 carbon. The smaller side is this. So we take 2, 4. 2, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pentane. Then you look this compound. This is 1 cyclic, this is 1 cyclic, this is the common point. And from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4. this is the smaller size, this is the larger side. So you start from this side, mean spiro, square bracket start. Here is in this side 2, smaller 2, larger 2, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decane. Okay, all the carbon are included under the principal chain. Then you look here. This is one cyclic group, this another cyclic group separated by only one common point, and this is the functional group. Then you think that the functional group has the higher priority and this gives the more priority. No, always smaller to larger side. This side get more preference or more priority, because in this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, this side only 1, 2 carbon. The common carbon do not involve the counting the locant. Okay, then this side 1, this side 1 carbon, so you use spiro, square bracket 2, 5, and when you count this from this side, not this side, okay, because the smaller part is the more priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, count from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count from this side 1, 2, 3. Yes, sorry, very sorry. Here is 4, here is 5, here is 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then you count, if you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the alcohol group gets 6. If you count from this side, you go to from the smaller to larger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you can count from any. If suppose this alcohol group attach this point, then you go through the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. As it contains the same locant, then you count from any side. Spiro 2, 5. There is 8 carbon oct, An 6 all. Okay. This is also 2 cyclic compound. This is also 2 cyclic compound. One contain double bond, another contain alcohol group. Then you give the priority to smaller to larger, because this side, this is the common point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This side contain 5 carbon, this side contain 3 carbon. So you start from this side. Okay. So you first start spiro, then square bracket start, then square bracket start. You give the 1, 2, 3. Here is 5, 3, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Both sides are 3, so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mean non-An to all. Okay. This is all about the naming of spiro compound. The naming of bicyclo and spiro are the most important. Okay, for any type of entrance. Okay, so this is the most important part. Then next class we discuss about the benzene ring compound or naming of aromatic compound. Okay, thank you.